Narcotics, marijuana, ecstasy, cocaine, heroin, and all pharmaceuticals in between have a couple of things in common. One, they get you high. Two, they're all illegal and can put you in jail. At the law office of James A. McCarran, we have handled over 1,000 drug cases, everything from a joint to a half a ton of cocaine. In these kinds of cases, as in all cases, you're either guilty or innocent. But unless the drugs have dropped from the sky, which, believe it or not, I've seen police officers testify to, you will be found guilty. With drug cases, however, there is another level to defending your case. Whether your arrest and seizure was legal and constitutional is always at issue. But in drug cases, these questions come into play more frequently than other types of cases. In many instances, we can turn the circumstances of your arrest into positive evidence for your case. In order to do so, you need knowledgeable and aggressive legal representation. My office can provide that. Together, we have handled more drug cases than just about anybody else. Don't let the other side dictate the terms of how your case is going to go. Don't get lost in the system.